Hey everyone, my name is Sean and I'm a realtor and a member of YPN. In the last video I showed you how to create a Facebook ad. Today I'm going to show you how to boost your Facebook ad and how to reach more people. 5 ways to amplify your business. Here is our flyer and I want to get it out to more people. So I'm going to scroll down and click boost post. So from here I want to choose who I want to target. So keeping it simple, Bay East, we cover a lot of different cities, so I'm going to create a new audience. I'm going to name our audience. All right, and then I'm just going to add a couple cities here. So Fremont, Pleasanton, Livermore, and Dublin. I can change the age group I want to target, but I'm just going to keep it pretty broad here because we do have realtors that are 18, realtors that are to the age of 65. And then if I wanted to knock it down a little bit more, I can choose the mile radius I want to do, but I'm just going to keep it broad, 25-mile radius. So you can do that for each city here. And then also you can change your demographics, interests, and behaviors of people you target. So you can just click in here, demographics, and it'll pop up a couple different things here. Same thing with interests and behaviors. But for this post, I'm not going to do that. But for a post that you guys want to do, you can do that. And then I'm going to click Save Audience. And then from here, I'm going to go down to our budget and duration. So we're going to spend, just say, $50 on this post. From there, that's going to populate that if I just run it for one day, I'll reach about 5,000 to 20,000 people per day. Just Facebook's giving you a range of based off of their analytics that they have. But we're going to run this post for 7 days. And from there, you saw that the number dropped a little bit. So it'd be a minimum of 830 people to the potential of 3,200 people per day. And then the average amount you'll spend per day is going to be $7.14. And then you'll scroll down and you will click Boost Now. From there, you'll just click Close. And now if you're on your Facebook page here, it says, here's your post. And if you want to click how your ad is running and see how much it's costing and everything, you want to go to the top right corner of your Facebook page, the drop down arrow. You want to click Manage Ads. Click on your account name. And so when your ad is running, it's going to be right here on the left-hand side. And then if you want to come back in a week, because that's when our ad will be over, you'll be able to see what your results are. So how much you spent, your impressions, your reach, and results. So come back once you set your duration and you want to see how it ran, just come back in the Ads Manager here, and it's going to tell you how your ad did. And that is the basic steps and the basic information on how to do a Facebook ad.
And that's how you boost your Facebook ad. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information on upcoming YPN events, visit our Facebook page, Bay East YPN.